Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 3.5 called 3.4 V35A engine, specifically the V35 FTS, marks a significant shift in Toyota's powertrain strategy, moving away from large naturally aspirated V8s in its full-size trucks and luxury SUVs towards a more technologically advanced twin-turbocharged V6. This engine is part of Toyota's Dynamic Force engine family, emphasizing efficiency, power, and high thermal efficiency. History and versions. The V35 FTS was first introduced in 2017 in the Lexus LS 500. Its development aimed to deliver V8-level performance with V6-level fuel economy. It has since become the primary engine for Toyota Tundra 2022 Plus Gen 3, Toyota Sequoia 2023 Plus Gen 3, Lexus LX 600 2022 Plus, Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Global 2021 Plus. There aren't multiple widespread versions of the V35 FTS in terms of significant design changes for different applications, but its output can vary slightly based on the vehicle and tuning. In the Lexus LS 500, it produces around 416 to 420 horsepower and 442 lb-ft, 600 Nm of torque. In the Tundra, Sequoia, LX 600, and Land Cruiser 300, it typically produces around 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft, 650 Nm of torque. A hybrid version is also available in some applications, e.g., Tundra iForce Max, Sequoia iForce Max, Land Cruiser 300 hybrid in certain markets, where the V35 FTS is paired with an electric motor for increased power and efficiency. The V35 FTS features an undersquare design, bore smaller than stroke, for enhanced low-end torque, integrated exhaust manifolds into the cylinder heads, D4S direct and port fuel injection, and electric variable valve timing, VVTi, on the intake camshaft. Review and opinions. The V35 FTS has been met with mixed opinions, largely due to its departure from the beloved naturally aspirated V8s it replaced. Initial concerns. Many longtime Toyota/Lexus truck and SUV owners initially expressed skepticism about a twin-turbo V6 replacing the proven V8s, primarily regarding long-term reliability and the traditional V8 sound/feel. Performance and refinement. Power and torque. Reviewers generally praise its robust low-end torque, making these large vehicles feel responsive off the line. It offers more torque than the outgoing 5.7L V8, 3UR FE. Smoothness. It's generally considered a very smooth engine, especially for a V6, thanks to its balanced design. Fuel economy. It does offer improved fuel economy compared to the V8s, though real-world gains can vary and are often not as significant as official ratings, especially when driven hard. Sound. While powerful, it lacks the deep, resonant exhaust note of a V8, which is a common point of contention for enthusiasts. Reliability concerns. Early models. The most significant criticism and concern for the V35 FTS, particularly in early 2022 to 2023 Tundra and LX 600 models, has been related to crankshaft main bearing failures. This led to a significant recall by Toyota, where the company replaced short blocks due to manufacturing debris contaminating the engine assembly during production, leading to bearing damage. This has understandably affected public perception of its reliability, especially for a brand known for its bulletproof engines. Toyota states the issue was confined to a specific production period and addressed. Advantages. Strong low-end torque. The twin-turbo setup delivers impressive torque at low RPMs, making heavy vehicles feel nimble. Improved fuel economy. Generally offers better fuel efficiency compared to the V8s it replaces, contributing to lower running costs. Advanced technology. Features like D4S injection, VVTi, and integrated exhaust manifolds contribute to efficiency and performance. Compact and lighter. Being a V6, it's generally lighter and more compact than a comparable V8, potentially improving handling and packaging. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which is designed for the life of the engine. Disadvantages. Early reliability concerns. The well-publicized crankshaft main bearing issue and subsequent recall for early models have tarnished its initial reputation. While Toyota has addressed this, it's a significant point of concern for potential buyers. V6 sound profile lacks the characteristic, often more desirable, sound of a naturally aspirated V8. Turbo lag. Minor while minimized, there could be a slight delay in power delivery compared to a naturally aspirated engine, especially when comparing to the immediate, linear response of a V8 at higher RPMs. Increased complexity. Twin-turbo setups, direct injection, and other advanced systems inherently mean more components and potential points of failure compared to simpler, naturally aspirated engines, though Toyota aims for robust design. Potential for carbon buildup. While D4S, combining direct and port injection, is designed to mitigate this, direct injection engines can still be susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves over time if only direct injection were used. The combination helps here. Faults and breakdowns. The main and most significant fault reported for the V35 AFTS, leading to a major recall, is crankshaft main bearing failure/engine debris contamination. This is the most critical issue. Machining debris from the manufacturing process was not adequately cleared, leading to contamination within the engine assembly. This debris could adhere to the main bearings, causing damage, knocking sounds, rough running, stalling, and in some cases, complete engine failure. Toyota's solution has been to replace the short block, the engine's core assembly. This issue primarily affected 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra and Lexus LX 600 models. Other potential issues, less widespread but possible with any modern turbocharged engine, include secondary air injection pump (SAIP) issues, less commonly reported on V35A than URV8S, but possible for emission systems. Turbocharger longevity. While Toyota reportedly uses robust, commercial-grade turbos, turbos are wear items and will eventually require replacement, which can be a costly repair on a twin-turbo setup. Oil leaks. As engines age and accumulate mileage, minor oil leaks from seals and gaskets can occur. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption figures for the V35 FTS vary based on the vehicle and whether it's a hybrid variant. Lexus LS 500 non-hybrid combined fuel economy is often around 23 miles per gallon US or 9.9 L/100 km. Toyota Tundra/Sequoia non-hybrid expects city driving in the range of 17 to 19 mpg, 12 to 14 L/100 km, and highway driving around 22 to 24 mpg, 9.8 to 10.7 L/100 km. Combined around 20 mpg, 11.8 L/100 km. Hybrid versions. iForce Max, these offer significantly better city fuel economy due to electric motor assistance, potentially reaching into the mid-20s mpg combined or better. For example, the Tundra iForce Max can achieve around 19 city/22 highway/20 combined mpg. Compared to the outgoing V8S, there is a measurable improvement in efficiency, though the real-world gains might not always live up to the sticker numbers, especially when utilizing the turbos for power. Timing. The V35A FTS engine uses a timing chain system. This is consistent with modern Toyota engines and is a benefit for long-term ownership, as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine and do not require periodic replacement like timing belts, reducing maintenance costs. Oil. Recommended oil type. Toyota specifies 0W20 synthetic motor oil for the V35 FTS. This low-viscosity oil is crucial for optimal fuel economy, cold starting, and protecting the precise components of a modern, turbocharged engine. Oil capacity. The oil capacity for the V35 FTS is typically around 7.7 US quarts, approximately 7.3 liters, with a filter change. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact capacity. Oil change interval. Toyota generally recommends oil changes every 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers, or 12 months for synthetic oil under normal driving conditions. However, given it's a twin-turbocharged engine, some enthusiasts and mechanics recommend more frequent oil changes, e.g., 5,000 to 7,500 miles, especially if the vehicle is used for heavy towing, off-roading, or in harsh conditions, to ensure optimal turbocharger lubrication and longevity. Conclusion. The Toyota 3.5 or 3.4 V35 FTS engine represents Toyota's commitment to modern powertrain technology, delivering strong performance and improved fuel efficiency over its V8 predecessors. While its initial reliability record was marred by the crankshaft bearing recall, Toyota has addressed this issue. For buyers of newer models, post-recall fix, it offers a compelling package of power, refinement, and efficiency. However, those prioritizing the traditional V8 sound and established long-term reliability without complex forced induction may still look to older models. As it accumulates more miles in the fleet, its long-term reliability will become clearer, but early indications post-recall suggest Toyota is committed to upholding its reputation. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.